Hello everyone, I'm Hitesh and this is an exciting video about the GAN v100 3x3, which is a new, practically new mid-range GAN 3x3. Practically not a mid-range cube, but as per GAN, it's mid-range for sure. So this cube released roughly around 1 month ago, and this has been literally creating a chaos in the market because of it being so good, especially being so fairly priced. This cube has got its first batch sold out before the first week of November itself, and it literally took the Cubology around 4 weeks to acquire the second batch. And still, most of the stores have not got the second batch yet. So this is roughly this is 28th of November when I am shooting this video. So it might come out few days later, but it's already in stock in the Cubology until it gets sold out until you watch it. So yeah, this cube I have been using it since the last few days. We made an unboxing on the Cubology YouTube channel about it, and since then, when I've tried it, I posted an AO5 in the same video as well, and I loved this cube. The main part that I want to cover is this cube still worth it after using 30 days? So yeah, it's surely worth it. This cube feels pretty good, pretty smooth, especially as a Tornado V2 lover. I surely like the black internals a lot, and the feel of this cube is literally amazing. The stability is something that I would truly commend on, and if a lot of people have seen, Timon also posted a sub 5 official average on the GAN V100. So overall, it's a fantastic cube. No doubt the demand is crazy. It's already a top selling product for the Cubology, which automatically proves my point that it's a fantastic cube. The feel overall is very good. So for anyone who wants to get a good durable flagship cube, because gang cubes are much durable than Moyu or C, and the quality control is also pretty good, so they can surely get this cube. The price is also very nice. Everything about this cube works very well, and if you are watching this video during the BFCM sale is live on the Cubology, then you can surely get the discount. If this video is posted later on, then also the price is very good on the Cubology, and you can just find out some welcome 7 discount, or you can just use my code HCubish for a 5% discount. So that is it for this video. This was a very quick overview on how good the GAN V100 is working for me, and yeah, you can surely get it. If you have any queries related to it, do comment down below, and see you later.